Question 18. Complete the table of values for y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. So for the values that are missing here, we're going to have to sub in the numbers one at a time, minus 4, 0, and 1, into the following equation in order to get our y values. The only one I'm going to show the workings for here is the most difficult one, where you're subbing negative 4 in. You've got to be careful that when you substitute this in, you use brackets anytime you have negative numbers, especially when you have powers. If you don't use brackets, you are very likely to make a mistake here. Now, once you've got that, you can technically just type that in your calculator straight away, and you are going to get the number 5. Plugging in 0 and 1 is a lot easier, because when I substitute 0 in, these will just disappear, giving me minus 3. And then at this stage, the table actually gives you all the information you need in order to know that this is the number 0, because we end up with a line of symmetry down here, and the numbers that are either side of minus 4, such as the two minus 3's, are a reflection of one another. We then have the zeros that are a reflection, and lastly we have the 5's. Of course, you could just sub 1 into this to get 0 as well. We have our values here that we can now sketch into what will become a quadratic curve. Now, just have to be a bit careful. This isn't the best squared paper in the world on what I have on my screen right now. You just have to be careful with plotting all these points. So let me start here. 0, minus 3 would be there. We have 1, 0. Oh, yeah, 1, 0. So that's there. 2, 5. 2, 5 is there. Minus 1, comma, minus 4. Minus 2, comma, minus 3. Minus 3, comma, 0. And minus 4, comma, 5. This one's pretty tricky to see. Yeah, there it is. Once you've got all your points on, you should, because it's a quadratic, end up with a U or an N shape. This being a positive x squared, it gives us a U. And then all you have to do is join the dots there. If you feel more comfortable joining these with straight lines, you can. You've just got to be careful, because the ending here has to look curved in some way. However, if you just got a little bit of patience with a pencil, you can kind of sketch that and then go over it neatly as one solid line. Done.